Executioner emeritus.
Aro mama walata. Mama believe it die. I know say as I call you say you go show. I know say anytime we get happen like this, nobody with my mind will say they can call. Only mama and I will show up when I need her. Mama. My dear. Semper for you.
Now one for you. Waiting they happen.
Mama will just day, just day. But Mama said they talk to you. Grand no level again. Hi. Mama don't gas. Where. The army. You see, everywhere was calm before. Things were moving on fine. Before this so-called day bam, these bastards that enter this obodo, the one can spoil our choppings for us.
Can you imagine?
Mama, you know now, you know how far we don't hustle. You know how far we don't fight. How far we don't banter government so that we will get recognition from government and government recognize us today. Now because of we, the Icelanders.
That's true.
And make government recognize us. But now see these bastards. We call themselves bobbers. Just walk on reap where they know so.
Can you imagine?
Mama, you check them now.
I don't see them like
now
that.
So they go work out, they go places, they thief for people's house. They block people for junction, they collect their phone. They cause mayhem unnecessarily. They harass people, they rape girls up and down. If they do finish, they will come say now we are Islandos. You know now, Mama, all these things we need to do now.
That's
but we don't they be a bad name because of the stupid bobbers them. Emenike and the stupid followers them. Just bringing rubbish enter this community. Mama, enough is enough.
That's it.
We need to chase this green men then, this greenish, then we need to chase them coming from this land. These men that we caught and said, they bam, I be they were. We need to commot them for this town, Mama. Chase them far. You know now. And what make I say, make I call you. Because I know say only you are going to call at the right time. We go answer me. Nobody apart from you, Mama. What make I call you, say make you show. Look, you know the kind of love. What you go fit do for us to help us arrange tools. Not be chicken laps. Arrange tools more, use chase these men, then chase them far. Mama? Anything we get, you show us the least love at least.
I don't hear you. Executioner.
Hey, Mama, you reason now to make us call you, make it come, see what you go feel help us with.
I tell you, the thing in my mind already.
Oh.
It in my mind. As I come so, as he send for me when I come so, and they can't tell you say, the day road they come.
Really?
Waiting on a need, now correct tools, one I will take, bring all of them down.
Mama, you know waiting there.
They hear me so.
Come, you know
waiting on a need. All those bastards where they make noise for this community. I trust you.
Mama, you know now.
I trust you.
You know say now you be our next
executioner.
Mama, now you be our next candidate for this upcoming election. Now you be our flag bearer. So if we not chase this man, come up. You go worry us, worry you too. So we need to chase the bastards there, make them go meet you that's when they not supposed to roll with Odin at all. You know.
Don't worry, I go arrange the stuff.
I don't tell Osama to.
On a need tools, one I will take bring them down.
I don't tell Osama to him saying go reach you. I don't know whether.
No, he call me and we dey make arrangements. He call me, so we will talk about it. I go even stay for your house.
Mama, believe it die. Hey, take my club me rugged, too much. Boom, club me rugged you. May you walk, I never stumble, Mama.
I'm telling you.
Rugged you.
All right, Dad.
No, Lily, Mama. Anyhow, I be, I go control you. I bet if you won't call me, no, call that my number.
No, I think you get the one where you carry send me text.
I call that one. After 2 weeks, I will change that.
It's all right. I trust you now. You don't go this steady.
No, Lily. Mama.
All right, boy. No wahala.
The youth are seriously planning for this court boys.
Hey, thank God. Make them better do something fast, because as me I dey said, my blood they boil past hot water. Make them do something fast, because these youths, these court boys, they won't finish us, they won't destroy us before they go rest. The elders just fold their hands and the youths, they don't want to do anything. They won't talk.
Why are you guys disturbing yourself? Why are you discussing matter? I don't even know what to say again.
Hey.
Leave this thing. It's of no use.
Hold it
Stop
there.
disturbing yourself.
Is it because your brother is a cultist?
Leave am make dey talk. Even as I dey, I don't even read you sef. If you reach, go tell your brother wey be Mr. Cult abi wetin dey call am here. Go tell am. Make him come dey pursue us, dey kill us again.
Listen, girls. I can't stay and watch my brother die just because of the Moreover, those boys have to choose their as in they want to live their life. You guys should leave them alone and stop gossiping here.
Wait, you can't stay and watch your brother die because he's a cultist. But you prefer to stay and watch other people's children die, abi? Eh?
My dear, you don't get anything to talk. Just waka dey go your house, you don't get anything to talk. It is said that people with small mouth wey dey like office pin, dey sabi talk. Chum 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 chum. Stockfish shed.
Wait, what are you saying? Just because I have small mind mean that I can gossip more than you people?
My dear, yes, so you can gossip.
See, let me tell you, you are the only one here that we are saying this thing. If I should hear it from outside, I will know that you are the one that said it. And I will deal with you personally.
Not only your kidney, very soon your eyelashes go shift.
Get out! Even as you dey talk, say your mouth dey bend. If I hear it from outside,
get out!
look me where I will beat
I can't spend my time.
you can't spend your time. Don't worry. When it's
They
time,
try to don't sabi. As far as they move, try one.
My elders, now that these boys no longer fear the police, they even enter churches and kill people. Is it not now necessary for us to call in a dibia from Romakundi? Let him come and organize an oath for the entire community, so that anybody that joins any cult or any fraternity in this community or kill any member of this community, let the person die. Even my own son, let the person die.
Mazi, what you just said, I am in support of it. Do you know that ever since we had the last elders council, you brought this idea. It has been rolling in my memory. And I concluded and said that that is the best way to stop killing and cultism in this community.
Brilliant. This idea is very good, especially against the backdrop of the fact that my investigation reveals that a number of these boys are ready to denounce their membership of the fraternities. Again, undertaking will not be effective unless the dibia that is going to come is going to promise us two things. One, protection for those who are going to denounce. Then, punishment for those who will refuse to denounce. You understand? Because the fear is that if they denounce, their fellow members will come after them after the council. That is it. The idea is very good, but we need to find out the possibility of getting these two straight.
Yes, what you have just spoken is it. Do you know that one of my sons is involved in this cultism in this community?
Yes, we know.
I have spoken to him, although he accepted, but he is afraid to denounce because his fellow cult members will come after him.
You are even talking of your own son. Are you not aware that my son is the leader of one of the notorious group in this community?
Yeah, Isaac, your son.
Isaac.
We all know that. We all know.
No. Not minding whose us is God. If he failed to denounce, let him die.
Again, you have made me proud. You have made me proud. Because, let me tell you one thing. It is not all the elders that we have in this place that will buy the idea that we have, because their children are deeply involved. And for you to say this, it means that you have the interest of this community at heart.
Not only their children being involved. Another problem you never know why these children, why the elders do not want to say anything is that the moment you mention anything about these boys publicly that will affect them, they will come after you.
Yes.
Everybody is afraid.
Yes. Anyway, and let me even tell you, some of the elders themselves are also involved.
Exactly.
And let me tell you, this is what this is going to continue to happen. We do not let this discussion to any of the other elders.
Not at all.
It has to be between three of us. Yes. Top secret. We can handle it. We'll look for a digger. And once we get a promise from him that these two items and these two areas are going to be possible, I tell you, to him, that is yes. You are correct. So, it's good. Dibia.
Nice.
You are welcome. We sent for you. If you look around now, you see that these are the elders of this community. We sent for you because our community is drifting into anarchy. We can no longer sleep with our two eyes closed. The youth that we pride in have turned themselves into vampires. And we said that an elder does not stay at home and watch the goat deliver in tether. So we have sent for you to come because we are looking for solution to bring peace back to this community. That's what we said for you.
In addition to what my elder has just said, but before I go on, let us apologize to Mazi Okoko. Actually, the day we had this discussion, you were not around. So we said there's no way we will bring in a Dibia into this community without letting you know. So that is why today we said you must be here. So we are very sorry about that. Very sorry. So in addition to what our elder just said, we are really in trouble. All we wanted is for you to please help us. These people are our children. They should stop killing themselves. Please help us.
If I may ask, is any of your children among this act?
My son, yes.
That's what we are saying. Please, we want you to administer oath to them, denouncing membership of these fraternities. Secondly, we also want you to provide protection for those who are going to denounce membership. And thirdly, a punishment, a very big one, for those of them who refuse to denounce. I believe that once these things are done, we will have, achieved peace in this community.
Mice. That means it's about 3 issues.
Yeah. Those are the 3 burning issues that we have.
You don't want me to solve.
Yes.
I hope you all know that Anabaka.
Don't worry. We will prepare for you.
Thank you very much. If I may ask, these people you are talking about, do they have names, group or?
Yes. There are so many other, smaller groups, but the 2 major ones that are ravaging this community are that one of them says they well. One of them is they well. Then the other one is they bam.
Teacher, who goes you?
What?
Will you shut up your mouth there? Come. Don't mention that name when we are gathering again.
Which name?
Don't mention who Debam. Here again. Hey, my friend, shut up. The reason why I am allowing you to sit here is because you are flagging my car. You are flagging my car. See, if not for one thing, I would have chased you away from this community.
It's all Coco. It's all Coco. It's not okay for you.
What is wrong with you?
Will you sit down and keep quiet?
I should sit down.
Sit down
I should sit down and keep quiet.
Sit down and keep quiet.
Will you shut up? Hey, shut up! Shut up! Hey, what is wrong with you? Come, shut up! If you think I will open your stomach with this bomb, I will tear you! Hey, shut up! Shut up! Close your mouth! I say close your mouth! From today, the slogan here before you start any meeting, I say close your mouth! Before you start any meeting, before any meeting here, the slogan is Nawio, Aromate, Wither. I repeat, Now we are with her.
Don't worry, I will shoot
you. I will block them out with this.
You can't do anything.
Are you hearing me? I leave this bottle here with you people. Okay. My name is Aro Ibozu, aka Mazoko. And from today, your name is Aro Apio. Your name is Aro Apio. Your name is Aro, you know your name. And you, let me give you a name. Your name is Aro Native Doctor. If you go to your community, tell them say your name is Aro Native Doctor.
I can see you are getting mad.
I leave this bottle with you. From today, you people must respect me. Should respect me and will always respect me in this community.
Ichokoko, you break my head.
Every day, one problem and another, one story and another. Just imagine Ichiokoko. Ichiokoko have joined this court, small boys. This day well and day well.
Don't you have respect? You don't know that that man is old enough to be your father. How can that man be a courtist? Huh?
See, she is saying the truth. But if you want to know if she is joking or not, go to his house and shout, "Aromate, wither." He will wither your head for you. Go.
Well, if that is the case, let's go there and confirm. We have to go there and confirm.
Yes. Thomas.
Okay.
Thomas, that's your own problem in this village.
Doctor, wait. I know you people always carry gossip around this village. Don't have something serious to say.
Go now.
You want to know if Ichiokoko have joined those court boys? Go to his house. And when you reach there, what's that his slogan said? Now we Aromate, wither. You've not had it. For you.
And we'll go and confirm now. Let's go and confirm.
Okay.
Go there. The man will wither your head, both of you.
Just go.
Let's go, leave them, let them guys.
See, go and find out for yourself.
Not just here.
Go.
Let them go now. Let's go and find out. Yeah? I'm going to confirm. Let's go. Awuro.
I am not around. That is not a police.
Yes, your father.
So you're lying to us,
I said, where's another running here?
He went out.
Now, listen. When he comes back, tell him he should better report to the station. Tell him I want to see him. Let's go. Papa, don't worry. We'll get you. That man broke my head.
This small police. Had it been my father allowed me, sure I could have been like her.
Hezek! Hey! Hezek!
I don't go to listen. See, next time, if you don't enter like that, if you just in my barrack, the way you use just in today, they from far, to identify yourself.
Or else, I don't blow you shot this evening. Hezek, you don't even understand.
What did that
man, where I carry bottle, let him help. Mazi Ben, carry kelebe. They pursue me around. No. Even bring them. Come my house. As I talk to you now, Ekelebe ran my house. Now from window, zap. Even as I run, now they watch my back. I don't see any of them.
It's just as they run, none of them follow you.
No, they don't follow me. I watch my back well. You trust me now?
You sure?
Yes.
Okay. You do well. They say from Kamakra statement. They are me. That's his buying. Man be the best. Don't worry. You see that man? That man wearing head they like stone where they use sharp knife. Where they like one when they feel it. And they beat him, I don't know say he still get one kind of bad character. At this saying just they bias like I don't know say if for the inside of her. No worry, we'll go and visit. But for now, just go and keep my place. I see they go, I go put and tell and say them you wait. They say sufferings and lessons. We'll go and visit. You hear me?
Now you come forget saying I will. Now we are roommates.
With that.
You forget.
You're rugged, they have me. You just on board the ship, but your sailings time, they show work and massive way. Don't day for the ship. They have me. See, I can tell you. You will walk and you will never stumble.
You know.
They have me. They say he that dwells in the secret place of the Iceland dome
must abide
under the shadows of Suprinodine. They have me. When you rise and shine. They have me. Just back him and
I bet you go back.
as they go now, just go. I will call and tell and say you come. Okay. So you will stay there for like some time until your place calm down. You hear me? Like that man will make I come back.
So those Ekelebe men fit say they go fit get me for this stand. You know possible. Hey, very soon they go identify themselves for this community. They go identify themselves. Huh? Eh? Why you lock this door? I said, why you lock this door?
Papa, so you're not jumping window? Papa, at your age, you're still jumping window.
You the crazy? You know, they say na squirrel game with a play. They say na squirrel game with a play. Whether I jump out or I jump in, is that your business? Hey! Now we rocket you. You the crazy? So the window where I jump now don't become problem, eh? You don't become problem, Abby. Now open this door.
Papa, if not that your blood runs in my vein, I would have said I regret being your child.
Hey! You would have regretted being my child. I said before I close these eyes and open it, let this door be open.
You're not going inside this house. Yes. Papa, since you joined that cult, have you ever seen those children jumping windows? Papa, you joined yesterday and today you're scaling windows. What kind of a man are you? Papa, I'm ashamed of you.
Hey! If they say not be say you be my daughter, I for not kill you. I for lace this bottle for your head now. You the man?
Right. Papa, you like, use gun on me. If you like, use axe on me. If you like, gather all the bottles in this village and break my head. This key is not available. Go to Emenike's house to take the key.
Emenike?
Yes, Emenike.
So you have decided to join the BAM in this village, in this community. Hey, you will die. I say you will die. Nevertheless, rugged you've reminded me something. You see, Emenike? He broke my head with bottle, but I am going to kill him. I said I am going to kill him. In fact, be here. I am coming. I said I am coming.
But you better come back home, because it's your corpse they will come back with. Papa, come back now.
Hey! This I should come back. Hey! You forget say now we. Now we are. In fact, I never get your time now. I never get your time. No American time now I get. If American no die today, no say no be me. And as I dey leave now that I come back, my men, they go incorporate you. Idiot. Aromet! Now we are. Aromet with her.
Chai, my mother saw this coming, that was why she died. Chai.
Maz, all these things happen in our community. I'm afraid though. It will take many people's lives.
You know my worries. That some of our elders are beginning to join these children. That old man? You're calling him an old man? Mazokoko. He now goes about with chanting their slogan. How? Every day you hear Mazokoko. Now we Aromet, Wida.
Wida, we grass.
Chineke.
My dear. So, it's like we're going to involve the government.
Obiakwa, here you come again. You are talking about the government. Which government? The boys don't even fear the police. Yeah. They don't even fear the army. They don't even know who is carrying any weapon. So what will the government do? In this our community, as it is now, don't even say I said. Because if they hear anything, say anybody, say you are gone. Yeah. So, as it is now, no plans. Wait, so I want to ask, what are you going to do about this thing?
No plans. You couldn't. Nice. Also. Tana home. I'm going to my maternal home. Let me go and hide there. Hey!
That is the situation we find ourselves.
We are no more children in our community. Because we are no more friends. Oh! Kenny would hear him.
Hebelebe buru la korota hebelebe ine hebelebe buru la korota hebelebe. A child that says the mother or the father will not sleep. The child, will he sleep?
No. At all.
When two people are fighting, you fight. He said, I will never leave you today. Throw the other one on the ground. You that said, I will never leave you today. Will you go where you are going?
No.
Hebelebe buru la korota, hebelebe buru korota, hebelebe hibi, hebelebe buru la korota, hebelebe. Anukufe wanu mogaga nogu. This plan, as we are walking round, we are walking on head of those boys, all those errand boys that don't want this community to be in peace. They must be in peace.
Yes.
I said they must be in peace. Hebelebe bula korota, hebelebe, because of this land, we are not working for destruction, rather for peace. Hebelebe bula korota, hebelebe, ya hebelebe bula korota, hebelebe, hebelebe bula korota, hebelebe, hebelebe bula korota, hebelebe. Ichie, imalebere buru la korota. Ono boko buru, gene buru ya. Ige kwe ka agbabu ge la korota. Hebelebe buru la korota, hebelebe, ige.
You this useless Libya. You come here and they come to see these elders. So you they administer oath to them. If you not come back, you don't even dress like all these useless they were guys. As Landos, Abi. This rubbish where you wear like this.
Young man, watch your tongues. I did not come here for destruction. I came for amendment, for peace. I want to restore peace in this community.
Na lie! You see this whites? Now only we. Now if we bring peace to this community. That's so If you not come out here now, I will finish you.
You are not in peace at all. If you are in peace, you will not parade yourself in this community with these guns.
Look here, Mr. Ma. This is time for blood for blood. Don't be lying.
And he thinks so.
That's so it be. Vamos! Let's get this man! Vamos! All return back to base! Quick!
Azapio.
Happy and wait.
So what do I hold this cup for?
Die or die it. I said die or die it. See you. I know a phone. As big as you are, as old as you are, you don't get sense. One thing at the talk, you wear red cap, they look at you say, come on that red cap for head. Come on that cap. This time I'm everything. Come on that glass so that if I talk, you're going to see me well. Come on that glasses, come on that. See. Shine your eye. We can see your eyeball. You this wicked man. You get mind, you get the morale. After you leave Aro Ibozu, for meeting ground, leave and run when them asaf on head. You leave and run. You still get the mind, the morale, to go carry them more, make it come cleanse the obodo, make it come cleanse this community. See you now. You never feel clean your own house. Your own worry, you never feel clean up. You get mind to go carry them more, make it come clean the worry, make it come clean this villa. You, see, make I tell you. Prince Odin say, before person, go tell person, say, make him see what in they are. Make him first of all come out the one who they are.
That's all.
You wear bad things for your family. Your daughter na shower. Your son nothing for Lagos. And for more you boss in the rock steady. They get mind to come say you won't come clean this land. Thunder go fire you this. That's all. You this man with vulture head. Thunder go fire you. You not go see better. Make I tell you. If no be say I dey respect you as red cap chief. If say no be say I get regard for you, ma passe. To God, to Odin who make me for don't kill you through. Nothing will happen. That's so. But I say make I come warn you. Make this be the first and the last when you go ever make any that move say again. Say you won't go carry any stupid native doctor when never bath well. Come make it come clean this land. Or make your Jesus come out. I go see I must tell you. I go tell you say na me be work and no work.
That's all. Get the number one.
Did they hear me?
Get him.
I may be very bange one.
I believe you.
The autonomous spirit community. The executioner emeritus of Kaga Marine. In the Jones, who goes you? You know what I'm saying? I may be the only man who died 7 times, resurrected 7 times. In the Maga, see, focus. Use your head. Because sufferings are lessons for those who refuse to learn. They hear me? They hear me? Come on, matter from here before I kill you. Come on, can cut it. I said, I said, come on, come back here. Come back here with your rabbit head. They can just leave him because in the flag red. If not, if say not be our seller, I'll get to you. Leave it. That will be Johnson, paparazzi. You tell where? Shine your eye, yo. Hey, give my back in beat. Now chief will be.
Fine boy.
No could just respect her because na chief. Tradition na tradition. You hear me? Come on, Matena, idiot. Before I kill you. Arrowhead! Are we selling? Are we rocket? I think better.
Without you now. Without you.
My friend.
So you get mine. Carry a kelebe, they pursue me for this community. You even carry those men, come my house. Hey, make I tell you. My name from now, no be Chokoko. My name na Aro Ibozu. And Aro Ibozu, now be now. Time done to send you to your ancestors. Now take up.
Aro Ibozu, too much. Aro Ibozu.
Now we are Aro made with us. Hey. Honor too much. Now let us go.
Don't try give am 2 groundnuts. Too much.
No, Lily.
Your father used to be a very good man. He has a heart of gold. It will never be well with these cotton people that kill your father. Don't worry, we the women will strongly behind you. Yes, stop crying. Stop crying. It's okay. Stop crying.
One thing I want to assure you is that all those involved in killing your father, they must not go unpunished. God will punish them.
That man is too good to die. Your father is too good. Your father is a good man. He's a nice man. Now, my fellow women, what shall we do for this matter? He's too good to die. I think in this point, I'm going to suggest something that we are going to do. We, the women of this community, we are going to max out. This is pure wickedness. Eh? Who could have killed that innocent man? Eh?
Who killed him? Who are you asking?
You're asking who killed him. Who else? Who else if not Mazoko?
How do you know? How do you know? How do you know?
Chai, my sister, you people are just talking. After they don't break that man's head, you know do for them. You know reach them at all. Now they don't finally kill the man. Whose kind of wickedness is this? Eh? As for that girl Chinyere, make she know what when we go ready for her and when we go master their company. After that they learn less. What kind of wickedness is that? She will pay for all the sins that her father has committed.
Yes. She will pay. I'm going to make sure that she's well dealt with. She's going to carry the cross.
Who will deal with her? See, no pity, no pity.
Anyway, may his soul rest in peace.
How will my friend be now? How is she?
The man is kind.
Now her father
was kind. He was good to us.
Chey! Who must have done this to that innocent man? Hi! People are wicked.
Wicked.
Are you sure? It's not those day bam or those day well?
I don't know.
You know, saying you don't know. Is your mother not part of them? Ask her and maybe you might get a straight answer.
Oh.
Like something is wrong with this your head. Eh? You're talking about the man that we don't even know who killed this man, and you're telling me is it not your should I ask my mother? Eh? What's the meaning of all
my
this?
dear, it's obvious. You and I know that your mother is one of them. She is one of them.
Shut up!
Don't tell me to shut up. Your mom is one of them.
Unfortunate to happen.
Don't touch my head next time. If not, you're my friend. My dear. Your mom is one of them. You better ask your mother. Ask her what happened to her. The truth is bitter, but she won't accept it. Who knows if it's her mom? It's her mom that killed.
I will collect.
This way.
I will collect. Let's collect. Damn it. Let's collect. I'll see.
too efficient. We are too efficient for rubbish.
Now see why don't miss.
We too tight for that rubbish. Come out. Wherever. I see where you dey. Your people they run. Abi, I go show you so you self go run from this community. Even community people go run for us. Now me the yarn. I see. Snazzy yarn. Yarn
For blood
the best.
I'm gonna tell me na snazzy boy for this community. The only snazzy boy. Between brother the beautiful vibe, I will be through my body the whole time. Test the table now with you a bit of a body the whole time. I will lie.
Biangozika, what am I hearing and what is happening in this community about you? You mean the name I, your mother, gave you in the house of the Lord, Ngozika? That you did what? You changed it. To what? Ngozi Olololo. What is the meaning of Ngozi Olololo?
Mama, you see that Olololo? That is the swag inside the name. Now they make us.
What do you mean by is the swag? What kind of stupid swag is that? You want them to kill you? Huh? You want them to kill you, Ngozi? What did I do to you? Your mate at this time, by this time, supposed to have married and be in your husband's house. When will I carry my own grandchild or children that you went to join cultivation? No wonder when I talk in the women forum in the community, they don't even respect me again. They ask me, what about my daughter? You. I am telling you from today, if you don't change, I will disown you. I will disown you.
Mama, leave that thing. Mama, leave that thing, no. You want to disown me? Is it a threat? Mama, see, make I tell you, Mama born, Mama threw away.
Hey!
See, say what? If you no see, you no go believe. Mama, see, forget about that, you want disown you. I know they fear. See, make I tell you, those boys and girls wey they tell me now, say, make me and them no stay. You know, say that them be my brothers and sisters.
Which brothers? Do I have anybody?
Ngozi. Mama.
This is the last warning I'm giving you. You want them to kill you, is it not? You want to die prematurely. Ngozi, what did I do to you? All I am telling you is that if you did not change from that henceforth, I will tell you that I am your mother.
Mama, wait.
Except if I'm not the one that delivered you.
Mama, wait.
I will show you.
Mama, wait. Mama, wait. Nobody is killing anybody. See, Almighty OD, where they serve, no fear allow anybody kill you. And you know nothing I mean they protect you.
Shut up your mouth before I will slap you. Whom are you protecting? Are you God that protects? You see Odi what? Ngozi.
Mama, only Almighty OD if he say person.
Shut up your mouth. I'm
Mama, only Almighty OD if he say person.
Shut up your mouth. Let me hear. Hey, Beba! My God. This girl has gone wake up. Ngozika! Alright, go and come back and meet me here.
Madam, don't come for it today. Madam!
Hey!
We don't visit you today, we say, we don't visit you. Mama, you see your daughter Ngozi Olololo, we don't go keep herself for one place. Mama, today we don't visit, we say we don't visit. Instead of her today bam, she go the day where? Rubbish! She not be come do things so go dey bam for this community. Mama, you don't be.
Change. Sorry, big on.
Mama.
Ngozi no dey now, Ngozi no dey, abeg.
She no dey.
Abeg.
See, come, madam.
Abeg, make una pity me.
Hey, see, come, woman. Look here, I'm going to talk to you.
Abeg.
Tell your daughter, say, you don't reach time, we still go convert blood of a stain to blood of a pot.
Hey, you exact. Mama, she know there, Abi?
You know they have.
Even if she know there, we go drop message for her.
Drop the message. Who they go? Baba! Baba! Baba!
You don't borrow. You don't borrow. Sure, you don't borrow.
I said it all.
Courtesy, na courtesy. You don't borrow.
Say, got to pull my way. Say,
you don't borrow. You don't borrow. Courtesy, na courtesy.
I said it to Ngozika. Ngozika, you have killed me. Jay! Jay! My leg, oh! My leg, my leg, my leg, my leg. Hey! Cause of Allah. Jay, Lumutakareka, pull my way. Hey, Manike.
This thing happening in this village is becoming something else. So
it's where they invest me pass for this boy. They just they kicking people. They don't do anything. It's just so annoying.
This is serious.
As in, I just tired. Just to make me go save them. Even shoot them, they kill them myself.
Bye, Zobo.
Why you couldn't be a
my customer.
Why is Zobo? Drop it here, let me see.
Don't come on. This is Zobo safe.
This is Zobo where they mix with
Zobo where they purge my belly. No, not be your house I shit that time. They purge my belly. Now this one, now this Zobo, in they purge my belly.
They shoot my mom, Ngozi! On my leg!
Yeah, shit!
My sister.
Yes. What happened?
Madam Ijoma. Madam Ijoma, that
yes. What about her?
She was shot this afternoon. Hey! By who? Those bad boys in this village. Yes. They went to look for her daughter. Her daughter was not around. The message they dropped for her was to shoot her on her neck. This is bad.
That stupid daughter of hers might have disappeared. Do you know I told you I was traveling? I just came back yesterday. Had all this nonsense that is going on. So you mean that these court boys, Degbam, and what did they call them? And they were. So they are still on this evil attitude there? Now it's even the worst. Killing innocent people. Oh, the Bible said that he that killed by the sword will die by the same sword. Yes. And he that killed by God will die by that same God. Yes. Enough is enough. All these court boys to be killing innocent people in the name of courtism. This time around they will kill themselves.
My sisters, my dear, I never knew that Emenike can hunt a fly. Hey. Talk more of human. Hey, Aaron. Hey.
So Emenike did something like this. Emenike, God will punish. Amen. So shall it be. Thunder will locate Emenike. So shall it be. I say, Emenike, God will destroy you. So shall it be. Are they coming? Come. They are there. Come. Let me go. Let me run to my room. Hey. So people are sitting down here. Talking. You don't know what is happening,
Ada, what is happening?
You're asking me what is happening.
Tell us.
So you guys will just sit in this community. You don't know what is happening in this community. It's me, Ada, that will come and start explaining to you.
Ada, what is happening?
Tell us. See, you know Ngozi?
Which Ngozi?
Ngozi, that girl. I heard that they want people. They want people. Okay, your mother's people. They want. Come. Leave me alone.
Tell us, sorry.
What is the meaning of all this now?
Did your mother do anything?
Tell us.
See, you have to stop this. It's every little thing you start mentioning my mother.
Okay, sorry.
If not that you are my friends, if not I would have just, I wouldn't have come back here, sir.
Sorry now. Oh yeah, sorry. Tell us what happened. Okay,
tell us. He said those people, those court people, that they were looking for Ngozi and they didn't see her. They didn't see the girl. They shot the mother.
Did she die?
No, they shot her on her leg. But why did they shoot her now? Hey, look what no you. Why did they shoot her? They said since they didn't see Ngozi, they shot her leg so that they left message for Ngozi there on her leg.
Wait. Message or no message? This thing you're telling us now, did you see it or did you hear with your 2 ears?
What's the meaning of that rubbish? Did you see it or did you hear? So, Ada, did I look like somebody that brings false information?
We just want to know that.
Yes. Okay, you know what? When you get home, ask your mother what really happened. My mother? Let her give you the details. So every little thing now, you will start calling my mother. Did you see my mother with them? It's not like that. We are just talking.
No, she's their day mama or day one. Just ask her so that we'll know.
I won't blame you. It's my fault. I won't hold my mouth. Film talking anyhow. I won't blame you. Don't worry. Stand there and be talking. Those people, they will come here and they will crack this your legs. Ada, go. Waka! Go! Go! Fuck it, chops. Let's go.
Mega Marine, and yo! Now, we don't show, and we... That's how we not go sleep. All I do not go sleep.
Oh, yeah, the no
any pikin will say, hey, mama, no go sleep.
That pikin no go sleep.
Too, no go sleep, no go enter your eyes, not to talk for him to slide and sleep on my door.
Rocket you.
Anybody will say, you no go no peace. That person no go no peace.
Oh, yeah.
God go punish you now. We don't come, we don't come.
Yes, sir.
Don't come. Go kill, go steal.
And to destroy. Show your face.
Anybody will say, we don't go jump to work for. Anybody will say, our parents don't go live in peace for this obodo. Anywhere where they hear me, thunder go fire you. Anywhere where they, as a big risk, God go punish you and your generation. Thunder go fire you.
One hand, they go collect.
Fire everybody.
Rocket you.
All of us say we don't go no peace. All of us don't go no peace.
Better show them.
Boom.
What?
Boom.
What?
Boom.
What?
Boom. Boom.
What?
Are we selling?
We are selling.
Are we rocking?
Now we are rocking. Who goes you? We tell you. Come on.
Taking 3 ways for road.
Take them.
Take them down.
They don't reach.
Because any second 3 is the target.
I'm telling you. Yes.
Now me, execution and emeritus. They have me. Kega Marine. Nobody fucks. Nobody does any bullshit. Anybody will do. Any Josie Mamarati. Any Josie Paparazzi. Any Josie Masara. Thunder fire of la finish. Now we are.
Rocket you.
Don't show me so. Don't show. I said that yo. Kagabari that yo.
Officers, you are all welcome. But I must not fail to express my disappointment for your delay in attending to our calls. We came down to your local stations reporting that we were in trouble. No response. We wrote petitions to the Commissioner of Police reporting that this community is drifting into anarchy. No way. We went as far as writing to the IG, crying that we need help. You waited until we lost so many souls. We lost our dear ones. Because the youths of this community have turned themselves into vampires, into killer machines, brandishing very sophisticated weapons they got from where I don't understand. At a time we were thinking that we were the people supplying them the weapons. Yes. I can't understand. The primary duty of the police is to protect life and property, especially when there is a distress call. You wasted so much time in coming. Meanwhile, I have said my mind. If I tell you that I am happy, I will be lying to you. But it is better late than never.
Yeah.
Now that you are here, I want to tell you what will be going on. Our children have turned into wild animals. They now hunt in the town instead of hunting in the bush. They hunt their mothers and their fathers. They hunt their sisters. They hunt innocent citizens. They hunt themselves. Every day we run from one end of the community to the other just to save our lives. Nobody sleeps here with his two eyes closed. It's an experience you would not wish your enemy to have. Now that you are here, we want you to do your job. Return peace to this community. Whatever it will take, we are ready. Once again, you're welcome.
Thank you, Chief, for all you have said. But I want to say sorry for the delay. We were actually short of manpower because of the deployment to Borno State because of this Boko Haram. But right now we are here, and I promise you that we are going to restore peace to this community. Chief, I would like you to call on the youth and inform them that the police and the federal government are involved in this now, so that they can retrieve from this act, because the commissioner and the IG has given us the order to catch and kill anyone that is involved in this act.
Yes.
And I understand that your sons and your daughters are involved in this. So please do that before we carry out any action.
Officer, I had the impression that you did not really quite understand me when I was talking. I told you that these people do not have respect for anybody anymore. I told you that they hunt their fathers and their mothers. Okay, let me tell you. The other day when we decided to take our destinies in our hand, we went to look for a dibia. And the dibia came. What we wanted to do was to force them to denounce by taking oath. You know what happened? These boys came out and emptied their magazines on the body of that dibia.
What?
Wow. Yes. And these are the people you want me to go and call and tell them to denounce? I will not promise you that. Now that you are here, do your job. That is why you are here.
So you have also given me the traditional right to catch and kill?
Of course. Of course. Even if it's my son or my daughter, do with him what you will.
That sounds good. All I need from you is your support.
We will support you in any way that you want. But peace must return to this community. I don't care whose ox is God's.
There's no problem, Chief. Thank you.
Why are you running?
Police, are you looking for those bad boys?
Yes. We are looking for them. Do you know where they are?
Yes. I know where they stay.
Can you take us there?
Yes.
Okay, take us there.
Hello, Rosami. We don't know what did happen. Me, I believe you're right. Eh? So, bro, so things happen for the community and not be choice. So, but me, tell you, the reason is that matter. The reason me boy. I be the reason me boy. Now, see what happen for the community now. The community don't paint and red. You know that matter now. Based on that way you and Silas they do. Yes, now because of that 1 or 2 way and I get now. That my nigga, that my uncle head, they can't get mine now. The reason we don't see for the community now, they just me anyhow. Yeah, go wrong now. See no bro, why you talk right thing? Get what I will make you do for me. See no bro, I beg. That's small thing we keep for us. Yes, that tools, that's more tools. I beg at least make a hole, make a use on my side, make a eat for today. At least fucking 1-on-1, me have to position my side. You know as it be. Eh? I beg, I no go abuse them. I no go abuse them. See nobody no go understand. As it happen for that side day, and so the book around now choice. What will happen here? So I beg, I need some tools. Even at the least, my go my side. You know, here say your brother don't go. If I go there, I no go like I be only brother we get. You know as it be. True. The thing they with the granite there. Okay. No shaking tree. Come on.
Nikoto. So na me they gbam I been waiting they call themselves. Come my mama house. Come use my mama shine. Hi. So na Emenike get mind. He get mind to come my house. Come give my mama collect for leg abi. Waiting they get with my mama. Waiting my mama do them. Waiting they go talk say na them my mama do them. They come my house, they don't see me. Now my mama, my only eye. Oh, they use the shine for this community. Now they give for leg collect.
Go Lolo. Calm down. I will not be you again. Where you keep your liver now? See, make I tell you. See this game, we don't decide to play. Now life and death. If they find you come, they no see you, my babe, then go collect. But happy say na for leg where they give your male. Nothing do her. The best thing you go do now for her, you hear me so? That to carry her come out for this community. They will go plan how go take pick those useless people call themselves, they or whatever. I don't want to know how go take pick them like stone 1-1. They hear me? Cheer up.
Emenike. Emenike, so you look me finish. You come from my eye, abi. If I find Emenike tomorrow morning, if I no see Emenike, I go for him family.
Now you talk now. Make you jump up, smile. Who go shine our eye, I beg. Leave this, I just be like, they done me, babe. goes it?
Your father left me. I say stop here.
Whether you go to tell me say ma stop, whether you dey talk who goes it?
I say me stop there. The open mouth they tell me talk say who goes me. As if for this land.
Yes.
Babe, mommy they talk too.
Ah, get out. Who be you?
Oh my dad.
Who be you?
Babe, na me they talk too.
I said that me is the talk. Come on, you dey crazy.
Babe.
You dey crazy. Doesn't matter no good. Come on, you dey crazy. You dey crazy.
Babe.
I dey talk, you dey talk. For this Come on, who goes in? You dey crazy. The mama for you well. You dey crazy. You don't mad. The family yash there.
Come on, stay here. Babe, I say stay here now. I go not you, I say stay here. What did they worry you? Stay here. Babe, I dey talk. Hey, babe.
Who goes this?
Babe, don't carry me through.
Come on.
Babe, I mean they tell you so. That's why you put am. That's why you put am abi. You put am like that.
The one you reach. If the hair now you know. You know reach.
Babe.
I say your waist no reach.
You mean am? You mean am abi? Hey God. Babe.
The one no reach.
Next time. Next time,
Ah,
let's
we
go.
got you.
You know.
Next time.
Now the problem where would they get to be this one? Look at, how can you the president sit down and what is there nothing happening? Imagine, our youth, we know if we take this thing again. These people they don't do wetin we no go fit bear am again. We no go take am again. We go close mouth sit down, they go kill everybody for this community. We need to stand up and fight for our rights. Do you understand? Yes.
Presido, ma tell you, they say too much cap in the food basket. You know yeah, these people they get blood, we get blood. They get vein, we get vein. They get one head, as we get one head. They get bone, we get bone. These people don't get sense. They forget that they're there for their own community. They raise banter. You don't need to go outside, go fight, come back. We protect them as one family where we be. Then get mine. They raise war with us. See, we go give them banter as the one banter. Yeah.
Who them be?
See, Presido, the more time we waste, the more souls they waste.
Nacho!
Let's swing into action and chase this people out of this community. Simple.
I just dey look you, they talk action, it say na your right. Ogbeni ma tell you the evil you fail to destroy today might come for you tomorrow. You just dey barabara, they go come for you.
Wait, see. Let's say the fear.
You never grow.
Fear day your body. See, make I tell you, the evil you fail to destroy today will come after you tomorrow, right? That means if you don't pursue these people tomorrow, today, they will pursue you tomorrow.
Wait, Amechi. See, if you are not ready to flow with us, it is a bad.
If I enter school, go see how they tell the keep people. I don't go there, they talk about us. Keep quiet. Anybody go do anything, I go do
Guys, calm down. Waiting again. These people where would they talk here? 9 months they carry them.
Wow.
And they not be 9 months they still carry them.
Because if I see them,
all these K guys, them they be Curtis. All these K guys, they be Curtis. They're not supposed to stay here. They're not supposed to stay here.
You,
all these K guys, them.
You are you
Mona come here.
When are they go? You see that? They go.
Before now, Ebuka, Austin and I have already planned our affairs.
We are aware of it.
When you are not around. So all we want is togetherness. That's one mind to fight these people. It's not time to start suggesting. Let's hit the nail at the head.
We don't need the appeal. You understand? He said we should carry on with our plans. So what are you waiting for?
Me myself will put all my sweat on this fight.
Follow that way. Let's enter.
Come on, move, man. Carry this thing this way.
Hey, stop here. Who the basket? The without me. What is my name? What is my name?
Offload and top and now. Keep up. Clear compass.
Gonna good.
Come on, down.
Do fast.
Man, down. Make it come on down. Come on fast. Come on.
Hold your earring. Come on.
Come on,
your earring.
sit down.
Now, without you.
Come on, this guy show me that you. Hold on. Maybe we like something and I use something.
See your nyash.
Leave her.
And to flash this all this thing right there.
So at your age, one Beko. At your age, it answer AKO Denigo. Neighbor woman. At your age.
Only one, they don't
I pity you.
Stand up.
Old woman with the
Stand up first. Make am fast now.
We tell what now you drop to me. Wait till that man. Emelike. When we will come to you. Get up.
Move. Don't feel her.
Move.
Baba, as I tell you, what's the thing set? The kind of party you have to throw for this community. Calm down. Come on, go to the apple. Huh?
Now, bros, I just did my domo this afternoon. This hot afternoon like this. You just carry cutlass, carry this, carry bottle, carry stick, where carry a nail. They start to dey pursue the way they take street them, they vex.
Youths, now you dey run.
Bros, you don't understand. As I dey talk to you now, bros, as I dey run like this now, branch mama domot. I just chipping out something. Bless say then the youth don't carry am.
Which mama?
Mama na.
Wait, come. What are you saying? Where is Odenibo?
Bros, it be like say they don't cash am.
Youths.
Youths na.
Number one. It shows them now youth. Catch Odenibo. All of those people call themselves Koro men. It shows them not be them. It is not youth.
Bros, me I no fit talk wetin I no see. As you say so na youth.
You see them with your eye.
Hey, bros. If I not see something, you no go talk now. Chai, I tell you say na you.
Listen up. Listen up.
Hey.
Strike chief. Number one. Go call all summon all the bobos in this community. All the bobos in this community, summon them. I don't see everybody by 4. Do you hear me? Summon everybody. Come. If what you tell me not true, just go relax. Come out by 4 when I say, as many these guys, summon others. Do you hear me? I go show these guys for this community say, they bam na they bam. Community. Just go prepare yourself.
Okay, bros.
That time I don't want any lateness. So.
Okay, bros. Community.
No, maybe they are.
Bubbles, Bubbles, the way the community be now, community don't run, see you don't run. Make everybody open your eyes.
Bubbles, see, Bubbles, as don't be there. How are you? Azek, salam alaikum. As it stands now, Tata came man. I don't put my head. I don't pass your head. I'm sorry. See, Bubbles, as it don't be there, this community don't they somehow too much for us. Both community you too, I stand out so they don't team up. This one they come from here, this one they come from here. We don't even know what thing they stand for. But they hear me so as it be now, anywhere you they go, shine your eye. Thank God everybody all in twos. If you see person, he no see you, take on her. But if you fit, move. If AK catch you, say you palm something, you are your own, I no go come out. When they hear me so, I no go come out. We are too efficient to be useless. We are too efficient for rubbish. We are too efficient for nonsense. So as it be now, just see who see you. You hear me? Everybody now move. Go keep yourself as it's supposed to be. I don't hear. Are you? Which way, sir? Have I don't built? I want to stay this way. Come on, road.
Which I don't say the other source.
You see that fat auntie? And she used to do cut with all these boys. Do you take her away this afternoon?
To where?
I don't know.
How you take see them? Where you there?
I was there playing before I saw them.
Who is this again? Don't kill me. You are there playing where you see them. Every day, come on, get inside the house. God is a fat auntie in this village. God will save us in this village.
Ada, no dey cry now, no dey cry. Sorry, no dey cry. As they cry, they worry me now. No dey cry now, Che. If you dey carry to make me, I do maybe your friend do now. But you, the other side, Kwano, your mama no try at all. So it's small children, they play, go they flow, then they join. Now they and they were this side, they gonna be waiting. It no make sense. Carry a big fat body with it like hey,
it's enough. What is wrong with you? Did you come here to console me or you came here to rant about my mother? Instead of you to help me and sort solution on how to bring her out, you're here telling me rubbish.
See, Aga, no be say I dey curse your mama, but you know say na true now. Okay, fine, make we forget that one now. So tell me how you want me we use, how we go use bring her out now? How we go use bring her out now where the youth they don't carry am? How we go use do?
I'm thinking of how to go to Mazi Apion's place. So that I'll beg him so that I can talk to the youth. Let them release her for me.
Mazi Apion. You should see Mazi Apion go green. Now be the question. You should say you go green release your mama. Don't be to just walk away strength go there. We'll still come back again, not do anything. You should say you go green.
I need to go. Because I can't afford to stay in this house alone. I can't stay here alone without her. It's my mother you're talking about.
Okay, now no problem. Now you get say. Now waiting I go talk. You know say if my friend, I my bestie. No cry, yeah. Sorry now. So they cry now, Che. Don't worry, we go here. Sorry. Adam, fine girl.
Who's in the house with you? So who was sitting with you? She left through where? You are telling me lies.
And so it be blood for blood. Both mama, papa, pikin go collect.
Who did this to you? Jesus! Jesus! Papa! Papa! Who is that? Jesus Christ! Oh my God! Jesus! 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 What will I tell your mother? What will I tell your mother? Jesus! Jesus! Jesus Christ! Jesus! Oh, wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! I'm here! I'm here! Oh my God! What is this? Oh my
Chinekele.
Now, Sonny for this community. My brother na soldier. For me, if I be soldier, if you don't expect government soldier, you don't expect person who are be.
Now so you pee. Nobody will enter that when they see. You must stay. Now so you pee. That's how we they see. We go show them what they do. Don't worry yourself. I don't fear them.
Who be that? For this community. What did they say them be? They be reddish. And they are you. See, all the bullets running for here now black. And I said they wait to na so. Get them discuss. Let them discuss.
I don't fear them. Collect them.
Community, time to buru. Time to buru. Courtesan na courtesan.
Na so.
Courtesan na courtesan.
Na so.
I know it's better clock na 7 o'clock.
No wala. Na so. I don't feel am. Give them. Put them.
Oh, courtesan na courtesan.
Won't be.
If knife not enter them, go. We don't show, we say we don't show. Where them dey?
Who them be?
Sonny get mind. Give me long jump. He get mind, give me long jump for this obodo. He go collect.
That's how it be. We don't show. We go tell us LGT pants. Not the whole period. We don't show. Who them be? That's how it be. Who them be? Forget it.
And I go hear us. Now we PST. We need to carry last for this community here. We go tell ourselves we PST.
Okute, make you and I sit. Mona follow, go like this. Mona go like this, go like this. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. See, make gonna take care of double cross them. Anything one I say, even and come follow me. That's what you know now. Do your best. You go because of the land. The land is not contract. Land. Do your best!
Thank you. Aguasho.
Don't worry yourself. That idiot will send be soldier. You don't bring them down. You don't bring my brother down.
Soldier.
Don't worry yourself. Hold that weapon. Position. Anybody you see for this community, waste them. Whether he or she, waste them. Carry this one na position. Anybody you see in this community, bring him.
Hey, wait. The soldier kill him.
Bring him or she down.
Shoot your people first, don't fire you.
Drop it!
Move forward.
My friend, drop your gun! Forward!
Slowly.
Move! This way!
My friend, keep moving!
Move.
Bastard! Move!
Move!